Why have you come back here?
The letter, like you said, I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can send any more.
What's wrong? There's something wet upon your hair. You're hurt. You need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Monsieur Marinus. I don't feel anything. A little full of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live for me, dear God above. If I could close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now, and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You would live 100 years if I could check you. I won't desert you.